How to add funds to Roblox group. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding funds to your Roblox group. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the Roblox official website and log into your account. After that, try creating a t-shirt. Now in the Roblox, go to the create in the top of the screen, then go to creations, then tap on avatar items, and then go to classics. Once you're over here, create a classic t-shirt. Click on upload asset and upload the t-shirt that you just created. After that, give it a name and also a description, and then tap on upload that is highlighted in blue color. Now go to configure section and then toggle the switch of on sale. Simply set a price and then tap on publish item that is highlighted in blue color. Remember that Roblox takes a percentage, so you will earn 70% of the sale. Publishing the t-shirt cost 10 Robux, so confirm that you want to put it on the sale. Delete the t-shirt from your inventory, go back to Roblox homepage, and then after, simply navigate to the groups. But remember that groups and communities are the same thing in Roblox. Find the t-shirt that you just created, and because you automatically own items that you create, you must first remove this item from your account before buying it. To do this, you can click on the t-shirt and remove it from your inventory first, and then buy the t-shirt from here. Now that the t-shirt is no longer in your inventory, purchase it from the group store. This will add Robux to the group funds, minusing the Robux fee. So in Roblox, you can go to the groups page, click on the three dots, and then select configure group, and make sure that this group belongs to you. And then go to revenue and you will see the Robux you spent listed as pending. It can take a few days for the Robux to be added to your group's funds. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.